this lick we taken from a song Despacito. So we have three string ringing, the first, second string and the third string on the 7th fret. So you hold all three, you bar it and you rake it fast, and you have this 10, 9, 7 pull off. Then you slide down to 6th fret on the first string, same thing. Should be with all one pick. Then you hit it, the 6th fret again. Then you come back to slide to 7th fret. So okay, then you have this all 7 fret ringing again. Then we have 9, 10, 12, 14 on the first string. So then we play 15th fret on the second string with vibrato. So you get like, so 14, 15, 14, 15, then 14. We end on first string 14. So it will be the second part. Then we slide from 7th fret to 11th fret on third string. Then we play 10th fret on the first string with hybrid picking. I'm using my finger to pluck that first string. Then 6th to 9 on the third, and again we pluck 9th fret on the first string. Then 4 to 7 on the third and 7 on the first. So second and third part.